So people asking so many numbers of question. How to create a YouTube live streaming? YouTube live streaming will create the two options. That with a live chat or pre-recording video we can create by YouTube live also. Two options. So which one you can suitable? So any YouTube live creation time, we are using two options. Premiere Now and using by OBS Studio. So Premiere Now already we can easily option by the YouTube. So today we discuss about the how to we can create YouTube live using OBS Studio. That is called totally YouTube live on the live screen. So first of all, after creating a channel, just open your video manager option. In this, the option call is live streaming. Any live streaming is dependent by two keys, server key, stream key. Server key and stream key. So once coming to this here, any stream option will be here. Make a archive unlisted and enable DVR. These are options. Monetization will be enabled. Means your ads. Any live streaming will be watch the video and ads will appear by the users. Now click for cards. You can add by cards also. Nothing but your people watching for recommended video also. The cards accept by the file. First you can fill up the information. Everything will be ready. After that, install OBS Studio. obsproject.com is very simply connected by YouTube to OBS Studio. You can 24/7 you can play the n number of videos, n number of movies. It is instant playing only. If you want to publish, after they will be published. Everything will be live, will playing for instant only. You can play by music, you can play by any kind of themes. So yeah. After playing this video, you have to publish. You can publish, or else you can select option, stream option, make archive unlisted when complete. Once completed, they're going to wear unlisted mode. They not publish. Then only show by live. So how to connect? First of all, after opening for stream key, any stream for confirmation purpose, they will take for first user 24 hours. Any user enabled by live stream key, they take 24 hours. Next live will be connect. So about today, I'm enabled by live stream. We can't connect today. We can wait for up to 24 hours. And what are the events? And live control room. These are. So this is all here again. Create title. So monetization countries. All countries. Upload your custom thumbnail. The webcam and manage. These are the options. Stream key. So these are. Just go back. Stream now. Now, how to connect OBS Studio to YouTube? First of all, after install OBS Studio, open it. It's very too easy to your YouTube live. It's not a big task to the connect to your YouTube live. So, after opening OBS Studio, before that, in a YouTube channel, you prepare your proper title, proper description, and proper monetization, proper cards will be set properly. Here we can't limit by any title and any description. After that, just scroll down. Here will be shown below option is called stream name or key. Reveal, copy. Okay. N number of time you can reset your stream key. Always you can change the stream key option. After that, live will share it by anywhere, where Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr, LinkedIn, anywhere you can share it by your YouTube live also. So just so right now they're showing for offline. Premiere and this live stream both are same, but Premiere is called without using OBS Studio. Now I am using for OBS Studio. So OBS Studio will open. First of all, go to setting, the setting, go to stream, don't touch any option. You can clear it by the stream type will be streaming service. Always remember, you have two options, custom streaming server and the streaming service. Selected by the streaming services. After that, we have multiple options, Twitch, YouTube, Smash, everything. I'm setting for YouTube. After that, adding my stream key option. After that, resize it, apply, click for OK. This is connecting for YouTube to OBS Studio. Copy the stream key, go to settings. The option called is stream. Select by your service is called YouTube. Don't forget the service type and service. Service type is the streaming service. Service will be YouTube and YouTube gaming. Just minimize it like this and click for OK. Is a connecting your YouTube to OBS Studio. After that, how to add the video in OBS Studio? First of all, create the screens. Nothing but your scenes. How many create yours? Video for demo. Okay. After the screen, you can add the n number of videos your wish. N number of videos. Select it. Media source. Okay. Browse your file. I can go to specific folder to add the video. Without add the video, your YouTube live will be not working. It's showing for plain screen. Right. Video was playing. After playing this video, just click for start streaming. Click for start streaming. When click for start streaming, now is going to offline. Now is coming to online. Just fraction of second, coming to stream will be online. Now my YouTube will be going to live or not. How to check? Simple. Select incognito window. Select by YouTube. I have to check my confirmation. My channel will be going to live or not. Once video is done, you can change the video your wish. Once your video will be done, change another video. Anything will be possible. I'm writing here. What I'm searching is that when searching time, in the channel time, they're showing for intimated. Any video will be going to live, they're showing for intimated by your channel. So this. Open your channel. Got that? Going to live now. So any video we can promote by in the live option. Select it. You can check the open and check the any information by your channel live streaming. So here. Anytime you can change your video, the live streaming will be started by your YouTube channel. So n number of videos you can change in on the live screen. It's not a big task. So you can go to this, go to media source, change your video. Double click, browse. Anytime the live streaming going on, change your videos. N number of videos you can change, use your option. So what is going on? Same will be here working in this. So clear? This is called we can create the live stream using by OBS Studio. Any live streaming is going on, will check by earnings will be possible. The risk you can show by your ads. So yeah. So I'm changing the video. See this. Little bit late after the video will be changed. Why? Because the connecting server will be based on your timings to change your videos. See this. What are the music and you can give that the video will be changed. So this all will create by YouTube Live and using by OBS Studio option. That is called here. When you click for stop streaming, your YouTube Live will be closed. So they're showing like this. Still paying. So stream is stop. You can see this one. Live streaming in offline. That's it. Going to offline. So any YouTube live will be created by the only for stream key. How many people are watching? You can check this. Watching two people's will be showing for here. Is clear? This will be created by YouTube live stream using by OBS Studio option.